Trump breaking news today. The decision facing Donald Trump's legal team is not easy. A prominent legal expert has stated that the issue of whether or not to continue representing the former president in his criminal case involving Stormy Daniels is a difficult one for Donald Trump's legal team. Before the 2016 presidential election, Trump allegedly covered up an affair by paying hush money to Stormy Daniels, a former pornographic actress, through falsifying company records. Daniels claims he slept with her, but the Republican firebrand has pleaded not guilty to all accusations. After a series of successful Republican primaries, Trump assumed the role of presumed presidential contender for the 2024 election earlier this month. A number of legal challenges, including 4 impending criminal prosecutions, have cast a shadow over his campaign for a second term in the White House. Trump maintains his stance that the accusations leveled against him are based on political bias and that he has never been guilty. Judge Juan Merchan's daughter, Loren, is overseeing the Stormy Daniels case, and Trump has slammed her on his Truth Social website on multiple occasions. Former FBI General Counsel Andrew Weissmann, who was involved in Special Counsel Robert Mueller's probe into Russian meddling in the 2016 presidential election, stated on X that this creates a tough scenario for his legal team. Donald Trump is now targeting a private citizen, Judge Juan Merchan's daughter by name, on his social platform, said MSNBC executive producer Kyle Griffin, whose post Weissmann shared. The criminal defense attorneys representing Trump now face a difficult choice, Weissmann responded. With charges of essentially the same instigation of violence on January 6 and before and after, how can you continue to defend someone who is participating in this conduct? Numerous Trump supporters attempted to block Joe Biden's 2020 election victory certification on January 6, 2021, or 1/6 according to Weissmann's account. Stephen Chun, a spokesman for the 2024 Trump campaign, told Newsweek Andrew Weissmann is a moron and suffers from Trump derangement syndrome. The news outlet Newsweek reached out to Trump's legal team via email at 5 a.m. Eastern Time on Saturday. When one of them chooses to weigh in, we will revise this piece accordingly. Trump demanded Judge Merchan's removal from the case and claimed that he is completely compromised because of his daughter's actions in a Thursday post on Truth Social. His daughter, Loren, is a rabid Trump hater. She has admitted to talking to her father about me, but he gagged me, he claimed, referring to Merchan. The radical leftists who are funding the Biden indictments, including this witch hunt, which her father presides over, and attacking Biden's political opponent through the courts, as well as crooked Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, and Adam Shifty Schiff, are her employers. They campaign on getting Trump. On Saturday at 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time, Newsweek reached out to Loren Merchan, president of the political consulting firm Authentic Campaigns, via email to request a statement. The 2020 presidential campaign of Vice President Kamala Harris for the People, the Biden-Harris campaign, and Schiff Super PAC are among the clients mentioned by the firm. Trump also made other claims against Loren, but Newsweek was not able to confirm them. Another person Trump has accused of putting a doctored image of himself behind bars on X is Loren Merchan. The manipulation of an account she long ago abandoned was responsible for this, according to Al Baker, a spokesperson for the New York State court system. He further highlighted that this was unrelated to her. On Tuesday, Judge Merchan issued a gag order prohibiting Trump from speaking publicly regarding Stormy Daniels' prosecution, jurors, witnesses, or family members.